Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I'm super excited to reveal the teaser of Badra Group newly launched project that is codenamed Peak Life, India's tallest residential landmark soaring up to 99 floors, which is exactly located in Kingri, southwest part of Bangalore. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So here is the experience center of the project over the site. And this is the exact land parcel where I'm standing. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 23 acres of land parcel with 4 skyscrapers having 5 basement ground plus 99 floors, and this project will be having premium residencies with German quality, French lifestyle and Indian values. Additionally, this is fully Vastu compliant project. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Kingri, southwest Bangalore. Now let me show you the best part of the location. So this side you can connect to the Kingri metro station, which is walkable, and this is the Bangalore-Mysore expressway, and this is the outer ring road. You can connect to National Public School in 5 minutes from the project and Nice Ring Road in 1.5 kilometers away from the location. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project provides you 69 plus luxurious amenities like of mini theatre, pet park, infinity pool, sky deck clubhouse and many more amenities. Now about the super built up area, so your 3 BHK is starting from 2108 to 2601 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our project EOI windows is open now as project is in pre-launch stage. So clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the miniature and the museum as well, and we'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flight as well, and then if clients like the project they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of the residential project by Badra Group with code name Peak Life, located in Kingri, southwest part of Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.